To factory reset Google Pixel 10 Pro with buttons, first of all, you will have to click and hold the power key and the volume up button simultaneously. We have to click and hold both buttons until the screen goes black. So just be patient and wait for it. It will take around 10 seconds. Now we have to release and just click and hold the volume down button and hold it all the time until the phone turns on. So it will also take around 10 to 15 seconds. If it is not working for some reason, you can try to click single tap on the power button and now click and hold volume down button. But in the most cases, as I said before, we have to just wait. And now, as you can see, we've got that mode. So we have to use the volume buttons to scroll and go for recovery mode. Now click on the power key to enter for the recovery mode. Now we will see the Google logo, and after this we will get no comment screen. And all we have to do right now is just to click and hold the power key and click once on the volume up button. Now, as you can see, we are in that recovery mode. We have to navigate by using volume buttons. We have to scroll to the wipe data factory reset, click on the power key, and now scroll to the factory data reset, click power key, and after this you have to wait for a few seconds and you will be back in this reboot system now function. So click on the power key and now the factory reset will be finished, and that's how we can do this step by step. Thanks for watching.